Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Armand of Jazz Setter Fragrances. Well, finally I was able to complete my Spicebomb collection. And in order to celebrate collecting all flankers, I did several images of, I took pictures of my Spice Bomb collection and made something fun out of it by, including the Avengers characters into the pictures. And this I've done by using an app called Pixelcut. So I'll be showing you a tutorial of how to use Pixelcut. So just open the Pixelcut app and you can download this. I think there's a free version, but what I got was the paid one, the one with the subscription. So just choose the image that you'd like to render or that you'd like to make an image of. And in this case, it's the Spicebomb Fresh, which is the last bottle or the last flanker that I had to collect. So just it's very easy. Just push that button in order to isolate the the bottle and or any picture for that matter, and Pixelcut will do the rest. And then right after that, just choose the background. In this case, I've chosen the same background as the background of my opening video, and then make a reflection and then just adjust the reflection opacity. And you can include characters or other images. So in this case, I included Thor, and just move it around and then resize the image to your liking. So now I'm adjusting the image. Okay, and then I'm adding Captain America as well. So just let Pixelcut do the cutting or the yeah. So there you have it, and then just position the image wherever you want. For the interest of time, I already have a few other images or other cutouts that I've done, so I'll be including them also. I have cutouts already of Black Widow, so you just position her wherever you want, and you can adjust the layer if you want her to be behind a character, or in this case I'd like her to be behind Captain America. And I'm going to choose other characters as well. Okay, so before that, all right, so just choose the cutouts that I've had, like what I've said, I have had several cutouts already, and I'm just going to reuse them. So in this case, it's going to be Iron Man's turn. So I'm just positioning Iron Man. And there you go. So that's a nice composition for all four Avengers. But I'd like to add more. I think let me just add who else. I have a cutout of let me just check. So I have a cutout of the Hulk or Spider-Man. Yeah, Spider-Man first. So okay, so I've mirrored the image of Spider-Man, and I'm adjusting it. Okay, so that's where I place Spider-Man. And who else? And okay, so I'm trying to reposition Thor, thinking about the composition because I'll be adding in the Hulk. So just make the adjustments. All right, and finally I'm adding in the Hulk's cutout image. And since the Hulk is a bigger character in terms of size, so he has to be at the background. So just play around with the layering, and there you have it. Now, since I've placed a reflection for the bottle, I should be including reflections too of the characters in order to make them three-dimensional. So just hit on the, well, what I'm doing is that I'm copying the image because once you hit the reflection button, there are unrealistic portions wherein, say, the foot doesn't have a reflection. So in order to do that, I copied the image and then cropped it, and then place a reflection. So in this case, it's looking more realistic. So I'm doing the same for Iron Man. So I'm copying the image of Iron Man, duplicating it, and okay. So you can see the foot isn't really touching the, or one of the foot, I think it's the left foot, isn't really touching the ground, well, in terms of the reflection. So just, made some adjustments um, by cropping the picture. Same with Thor. All right, okay, so duplicating Thor and moving it around, and okay. So since the size of the image isn't well, they don't fit all the characters in that image. I had to resize the background, or the canvas size, in order for them to fit in the canvas. And all right, so looking good. I guess we're okay with this. Oh, I just have to make a reflection of Thor. So duplicating him again, and then cropping the picture, and in order to have a more realistic reflection. And there it is. So everything's done. So just don't forget to save your project or the image, and basically we're done. So here's the final image. Normally I would put more time in composing the image and creating the image, but just for the interest of time, I made it a very brief tutorial. Now I'd like to make a short review of this fragrance of Spicebomb Fresh. This is a discontinued fragrance. I think it was launched 5 years ago, 2015 or maybe 2014. um, which is a wonder why, eventually this got discontinued, because this is actually a solid fragrance, I think. It's definitely something that's really wearable for the tropical weather, or for summer. What's lacking here is actually the cinnamon note, and in replacement there's sea salt, which makes it really, really agreeable to the skin, very fresh and summery. I like this. I like this flanker. I hope that Victor and Rolf would bring this back. I'm putting this fragrance in between, all the other flankers. My bottom would be infrared, and on the top of my list will always be Spice Bomb Extreme. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you would like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.